Hey, it's me, Stevewb, and welcome back to my channel. And today I have another unboxing for you. And what we're going to be unboxing is this GoPro Hero 8 Black Media Mod Kit. This is very exciting for me. I've waited a very long time for this. I'm hoping that this will be the answer to all my vlog hopes and dreams. There's only one way to find out. Let's rip this open and see what we have inside. Okay, so here it is, the long-awaited Media Mod Kit, which is basically a case for the GoPro Hero 8 Black, and it has a built-in external microphone to give you the perfect audio and the most perfect audio that you will ever need, hopefully. So, without any further delay, we're going to go ahead and open this box up and see what's inside. First thing to appear is going to be a useless book and the Media Mod user guide. And then we slide it open, and there it is, the GoPro Hero 8 Black Media Mod. Now, you get a thumb screw that goes with this mounting bracket, and then you have the Media Mod Kit itself, and there is nothing else inside this box. So for about $80 US, this is what you get. It opens on the side here. Watch me break it right out. Apparently the GoPro just slides inside. You have a little USB-C port right here that plugs into the side of the GoPro. So let's go grab my GoPro that we just unboxed yesterday and see how it fits. Okay, so here we have our GoPro 8 Black, and in order to put this case on this GoPro, you have to remove the side door, but you click that down and you raise it up and just continue to raise up until the door pops off. Now that is going to expose your USB-C port right there. And all you do to install this new case is USB-C port on the top, USB-C port on the top, slide the GoPro right into there and just snap this shut, and there you go. It is now installed, and you can see that this case comes with a cold shoe on the side and on the top, and it also has a forward microphone and a microphone in the back, and then it still allows you to pull your little fingers down through the case to mount your brackets. And there you go. Okay, so that's going to be it for the unboxing of the Media Mod. I'm actually right now, I have the GoPro Hero 8 Black with the Media Mod recording right now, but I'm also of course recording with my Lumix G7, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the audio from the GoPro Media Mod and replace the G7 audio, and we'll see which audio, or actually we'll just do a comparison between the two. Now I'm not using the internal microphone of the G7, it is an external mic, but so is the Media Mod, and we'll just do a comparison of those two, and I'll switch the audios back and forth and just look for the text on the screen that indicates which audio you hear, and you can just kind of compare for yourself how the Media Mod audio sounds. But I'll also do a better, maybe a full review of the Media Mod kit using front and back microphone and all that stuff in the future. But just for now, I'm just going to do that little comparison. So thank you for watching this unboxing. I'm Stevewb, and I'm out.